In this video, we explore some answers to this question: how do I start social media marketing with no experience? Listen to the next few minutes of this video very carefully because I am going to reveal some strategies and tell you the skills you need to work in social media marketing, which is ideal for beginners. So, I suggest that you avoid all distractions and pay attention to what I am going to share with you in the next few minutes. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any new videos. Please make sure you give the video a like because that tells me you find these videos useful. Thank you very much, so let's get into it. So to begin with, if you are an avid internet user with essential knowledge of social media platforms, offering your skills to businesses to help run their social media accounts can be a great way to earn an income. As more and more brands continue to rely on social media platforms to help grow their business, there is a growing demand for the presence of a social media manager or a social media consultant. Companies are on the search for professionals that can help increase their online presence, improve customer services, increase sales, perfect their branding, reach more people, generate more leads, and create more brand awareness. I am now going to tell you what a social media person, such as a manager or a consultant, will usually do. A social media manager or a consultant is the key to helping a business establish its online presence across social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, Snapchat, and TikTok. To do that, they often have to wear many hats and offer different responsibilities. Let me tell you what these include. Here we go. Creating social media strategy. As a social media manager or consultant, you're required to create a social media strategy across different channels targeted at establishing a strong media presence for your client. To do this, you first have to consider the brand's goals, budgets, and how you can collaborate with other members of your team. The next is content creation for social media. With a strategy in place, creating content becomes easier as you already understand what it is you are aiming for. As a social media person, you have to create content such as images and videos and post across all social media channels. You are also required to come up with a robust social media editorial calendar and a posting schedule. Here is the next one: social selling. Social selling requires you to convert leads from your content into paying customers for the brand. As a social media person, you are required to nurture the steady flow of leads to sell the products and services offered by the brand or the business that you work for. The next one is social media results monitoring. A social media person is also required to monitor and measure results from any social media strategy. This is where you measure KPIs that contribute to increased awareness, sales, and leads. You have to analyze and evaluate social media campaigns and provide detailed reports on the effectiveness of these campaigns. Also, you are required to monitor trends in social media to help in developing relevant content and campaigns. Let me now tell you about the other potential responsibilities, which can include running company social media advertising campaigns, building brand awareness by engaging relevant influencers, responding to comments, messages, and building relationship with the brand's online communities. I will now give you some powerful strategies which can help you start working in social media marketing. Here we go. So the first strategy is to learn social media marketing. Although social media management doesn't necessarily require having a formal degree, you still need to be trained in the field. Because there is more that goes into social media management than just creating captions and putting up posts. You will need to take online social media marketing courses to become a qualified manager. These are courses that help you in understanding the ins and outs of different social media platforms, how to perform keyword research, and how you can create relevant content for a specific target audience. You also need to learn how to run paid promotions across different channels. For example, for Facebook, it is important that you learn how to create business pages and run paid and profitable advertisements using the Business Manager. A social media platform like LinkedIn requires you to have knowledge of networking, collaboration, and how you can post authoritative and high-value long-form posts. HubSpot is a great platform for building up on your social media management knowledge. If at any point you want to advance your skills and you want step-by-step training with experts to learn and understand social media marketing, I recommend you click the link under the video now and check out the Social Media Marketing Consultant online course. This course contains so much valuable information that you will not find anywhere else. It will give you all the marketing skills, training and knowledge you need to create a profitable business with social media marketing from start to finish, or start a new career. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description box under the video now and take a look at the Social Media Marketing Consultant online course. So back to this video, here we go. Also, platforms such as Skillshare, Coursera and Udemy offer both free and paid courses that you can learn to build up your skills. Here is the next strategy. Build a strong social media presence. Even with little to no experience, the best way to attract new clients and establish your career as a social media person is by building your own social media presence. By establishing a strong media presence, you can use your social media accounts to build your skills and show clients what you can do. To start, you want to open accounts across all social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and TikTok. You can then begin to post valuable content that attracts potential clients. This will allow you to build upon skills such as blogging, search optimization, graphics design, and email marketing. A thriving social media presence is your best way to market yourself and your skills, even if you have never worked with a client before. Also, your own accounts are a great way to first test out new strategies and measure how they work. The more you post relevant and high quality content, the more awareness you create for your brand, and the more potential clients can see you as an expert in your niche. Social media presence refers to the visibility a brand has on social media platforms and the connection it builds with its community. The stronger your presence, the more trust you can build with your audience before developing a direct relationship beyond this marketing channel. For brands, there's no single metric tied to social media presence. However, it can translate to a high engagement rate, a growing brand awareness, and a positive brand perception. Having a social media presence goes beyond having a profile with content. It means creating content tailored to the interests and needs of your target audience. Doing so builds trust, and once you have that, you're one step closer to earning your audience's business. Having a strong social media presence also allows you to better understand your audience. Engage your audience. Social media is arguably the closest contact you have with consumers on a regular basis. Within a few hours after publishing, you can gauge your audience's response and learn something new with every post. Take it one step further by creating opportunities for your followers to connect with your brand on a deeper level. This can be inviting them to participate in discussions in the comment section, answering fun this or that quizzes, creating polls, answering Q&As, and doing live videos. You can gain invaluable insight into your audience's likes, dislikes, challenges, and concerns through these activities. This will then arm you to create targeted campaigns that convert. Here is the next strategy. Build your manager skills. As a social media person, you might be required to fill in many roles ranging from copywriting, marketing, strategist to customer service. Managing all of these roles requires having both soft skills and hard skills. While hard skills such as copywriting and graphic design can be easily studied, it's just as important to build up soft skills such as communications, time management, and other things. Here are some of the most important ones. Communication. Social media is a communication platform, and as a social media person, you will be required to communicate on different platforms and change your tone to fit each audience. As the voice of your brand for customers, you have to be able to fully represent your brand and speak in the brand's tone and voice, irrespective of the platform you are communicating on. To learn communication skills, resources such as TED Talks on communications can help in improving your conversations, digital communications, and storytelling abilities. Creativity. A social media person must be able to create content that is attention-grabbing, valuable, and exciting, and this requires getting your creative juices to work. You must also be able to integrate humor and flow with the trends to allow you to develop innovative and risk-taking social media campaigns. To help build your creative skills, you can take online courses on sites such as Skillshare or LinkedIn Learning. These platforms offer courses on subjects such as writing, graphics design, and mobile photography. Time management and organization. As one who will be running the helm of many ships, you want to be able to manage your time effectively while staying organized. Using a social media calendar is one of the best ways to manage different projects at once. With a calendar, you can plan your content and avoid being pressurized to release content on the go. You can also use time management tools such as Calendar, Harvest, Top Tracker, and other tools to manage your time effectively between different projects. Flexibility. The social media world is constantly changing and coming up with new trends. A great social media person must be flexible enough to move with and adapt to the ever-changing trends. You should be able to experiment with different strategies, be willing to change your strategies and adapt to new business trends and changes. By learning from data, listening to feedback from customers and paying attention to trends, you can stay in the loop and are well informed on required changes. Pay attention to Twitter trends to help stay informed on emerging trends and topics. You can also use Google Alerts to keep up with industry news and company mentions online. Now, I have a question for you. Which strategy from this video are you going to use first? Leave a comment under the video and let me know. If you do the things I just mentioned in this video, they can help you start social media marketing even if you have no experience. If you want more help with social media marketing, make sure you click the link under the video now and check out the Social Media Marketing Consultant online course. It will give you all the digital marketing skills, training and knowledge you need to create a profitable business from start to finish. It breaks down social media marketing to a simple step-by-step process which anyone can learn over a weekend, and it can be used to create a career in social media. And if you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description under this video and check it out now. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you feel it was valuable, please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, please leave a comment under the video and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.